Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Careers. In today's video we are going to talk about product design. What is product design and major questions regarding what is the difference between product design and UX design, what is the difference between product design and industrial design. We'll know all of them, what exactly it is. So basically anything man-made item or is a product. So designing this and which makes your life easy is a product, and designing this, the one person who designs this is called as a product designer. So product design happens to be in many ways. That can be any single thing you use from the kitchen items you use in the kitchen, from the sofa you sit on, the furniture, to when you open the door handles, knobs used in your interiors, and when you go down, when you use the lift, that electrical item lift, your camera, your phone, your PC, everything is designed and it's a product at the end of the day. So it's a product design. Even the things you wear on the clothes and that they are done by garments, that is product. And your what I can say, your all smart gadgets, tools, even your apps are products, because they you use them to make they are man-made and you use them to make your life easy. Your applications, your software, so all are man-made products. They help you. So product designer does all these things. He designs anything and everything you see around. Then there are two types of product designs basically. One is redesigning, one is radical designing. Redesigning can happen, redesign is something like, see, I have a older version car, I redesign it, remodel it and make to a newer version of car. That is redesigning. Like, you have the product already, you just change few things like looks of it, or you add few more features to it, then it's called redesigning a product. That happens everywhere, from your phone to your laptops, your Intel Core processor, which have i7 which are increasing because they get newer features in them. For example, i3 to i5 there is a difference, i5 to i7 there is a difference. So all these are the products which are redesigned and remodeled into a newer version. Then there is radical design. That can be that is designing something never existed and you thought about that and you designed it. So that is the radical design. Radical design usually takes a lot of time and lots of research going on. One of the basic example I can give about radical design is your roti maker, because earlier there were no roti makers, right, like proper, which can fit into the kitchen or these sort of thing. So that is the first design made as a roti maker, hence it's a radical design. So you're getting what it's to be. Then let's understand, see, what exactly product designers do is they study the human needs and understand the market, like if this is my need and if this is available in market, or if it's not available, then I have to design this. For example, as I said, roti maker was not available, then I designed it. For example, my older phone, I had too much problem while zooming in, zooming off when I had that small feature phone, but now I have this feature. I can just make it by the touch tip of my hand, and it is very easy to use it. So that's redesigning as well. So that's you study the market. Oh, this feature is not there, I'll add this. Like for example, older keypad phones to now you have in keypad in your phone. Whenever you need the keypad, you take it out, and whenever you don't need it, you push it in and you watch the video. Your entire screen is available to watch a video, when compared to the older phones where you had half entire set for your keys, right? Now I have laptops that can be used as the tabs and again used as the laptops. I can turn them 360 degrees to make it tab and work. So that is what product designers understand, oh, this is the need. Now earlier you had PCs, now you have laptop versions. Earlier older laptops were heavier, now they are very lightweight, because I had a problem while carrying them and working them, and watch whenever I used to take it on my lap, I used to feel it's heavier. So that's how designs improve and keeps getting better. So this is what all designers do. Then what is the difference between UX design, product design and industrial design? Because these terms are so confusing. Few people want UX designers, few jobs says I want product designer, few jobs says I want industrial design. What exactly they are? See, basically this chart should tell you a major difference. See, at the end of the day, everything is like a product, but when you produce it in a mass production, like too many things are produced at a time in a very larger scale using machineries and machine techniques, that becomes an industrial design. For example, car design comes under the umbrella of industrial design. Furniture design, which are designed by in the industry level, completely with the help of the machine, that is the industrial design. The kitchen gadgets like microwave and all, where you need to deal with electrical engineers, basically you need to deal with core engineers like mechanical engineers. For example, when you are designing a lift, it has so many mechanisms going within it. So all these with the help of engineered items, like where mass production happens, those things, usually the hardware products are called as industrial designs. So product design, which is made in industry, which is a hardware product, physical product which you can touch and feel, is a industrial design product. Then the software products like application, web applications and your UIs and all these come under software products. So these products are designed, and the designer is known as a UX designer. But both product designer and UX designer does these things, understand these things of research, market and all. Please check out my older video on UX design, you will get a better idea. So he works as a software product designer, and hence he is also called as a UX designer or a product designer. Then you have some products like accessories. There are people who hand make the things, gifting items, accessories, lamps and all, handmade DIY products, accessory design. All these come under another category, that is DIY product you can call it, or you can call it accessory designing. In product designing, such things which do not need industry and you make it by yourself, even they are products, right? Because you do them because that will help you, or it will enhance you, it will help you in some or other ways. So these are the various kinds, and at the end of the day all of them are products. Okay, remember this. Then product designer works with different fields. As I said, he works with different fields, and a product designer is known by those names. For example, if he works for a furniture, he is a furniture designer. If he works with different materials of glass and ceramic, he is a glass and ceramic designer. If he does designing of cars and all, he works with a mechanical engineer, he is an industrial designer, and he is a car designer, he is a product designer as well. Then I said UX design, when you design an app or public service, he is a UX designer, he is a product designer. Then you have accessory design, which can be industrial design as well, which can be DIY products as well, but he is known as an accessory designer. Even in accessory, if he does footwear design, and he is known as particularly footwear design. If he works with a fashion designing company or textile designer and produces garments, he is known as a textile designer, or usually the textile designer. Then you have toy and game designer, if he works with the physical toys and those physical board games and all. So, or if he works with the software game designer, he is known as a game designer with a UX designer. Again, he is producing a product. You are getting the total points, right? Please check out my video on accessory design as well. I'll be making I usually do contents regarding design, arts, creative fields, Bachelor of Planning, Architecture, Interior Designing and Graphic Designing related stuffs. My channel works for everything regarding design, so please subscribe to the channel and follow me. We'll form a community. Please check out my channel, and please check out that playlist, what is design and what are different different kinds of design you can get. So please watch those videos. Thank you.